guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the repetition kind of glitch video effect on Capcut PC. Super simple. You're just going to select a part, for instance like this one to this, or just like adjust which one you want. I'm just going to start from here to here, so it's pretty short. You're just going to split it here to here, and just split it. You're just going to put it like at the beginning, and you're just going to play and like see if the video is short enough. If it's not, just go to speed and make it shorter by moving it to the right. And you're just going to copy and paste this multiple times. It's up to you like how many times you want the kind of repetition to be. You're just going to copy and paste. So like right click, copy, right click, paste, and it's just going to repeat it over and over, and then you can add like another clip with like the same repetition. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!